We had expressly asked State Bank of India to disclose all details.
I am a citizen of this country.
1 second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me.
No, I am very soft.
Please listen to me.
Yes.
This is not a Hyde Park corner meeting, okay? You are in the court.
Lord, statistics, your lordships are aware, can be twisted in any manner the person wants. It's a matter of, my lord, intelligence of the reader to understand. Now, my lord, based upon the twisted and other statistics, Lord, any kind of posts are being made. I know, my lord, your lordships cannot control that.
Judges, as judges, we decide according to the Constitution.
Correct, my lord.
We are governed by the rule of law. We are also the subject matter of comment in the social media and the press. But surely, as an institution, our shoulders are broad enough. That SBI is required to make a complete disclosure of all details in its possession. Full stop. This, we clarify, will include this we clarify would comprehend the alpha-numeric number of and the serial number, if any, of the bonds which were purchased and redeemed. Full stop. We had expressly asked State Bank of India to disclose all details. The language of the judgment was all details have to be disclosed. Therefore, that includes the bond numbers as well. So, let SBI not be selective in the disclosure of details. We intend to clarify that it shall disclose all details, including the bond numbers, and every part of the information which is in its possession and custody. Don't wait for an order of the court. We banked on the fact that the State Bank of India would be candid and fair to the court.
Thereafter, my lord, a barrage of social media posts, my lord, at least intended to cause embarrassment, started during these 2 days. And thereafter, my lord, now it's anybody's field. It's an open field. My lord, statistics, your lordships are aware, can be twisted in any manner the person wants. It's a matter of, my lord, intelligence of the reader to understand. Now, my lord, based upon the twisted and other statistics, my lord, any kind of posts are being made. I know, my lord, your lordships cannot control that. The question is, would your lordships, my lord, consider issuing a direction which has a necessary and inevitable fallout, which the court would not be able to control? Lord, that saying Mr. Rodgi gave this money to this, then they have their own conclusion.
Mr. Solicitor, we are only concerned about enforcing the directions which we issued in clauses B and C of para 221.
That's
as judges, we decide according to the Constitution.
Correct, my lord.
We are governed by the rule of law. We are also the subject matter of comment in the social media and the press. But surely, as an institution, our shoulders are broad enough.
No, I'm saying, I'm not, my lord,
our court has an institutional role to play in a polity which is governed by the Constitution and the rule of law. That's the only job.
Lord, my purpose is to inform your lordships that there is something else playing out which neither your lordships intended nor the scheme intended.
Your 1 second.
I am a citizen of this country.
1 second.
Yes.
Don't shout at me.
No, I am very soft.
Please listen to me.
Yes.
This is not a Hyde Park corner meeting, okay? You are in the court.
Yes.
You want to move an application?
No, my lord.
File an application. What I told Mr. Rodgi applies to you.
No, my lord.
So today the Supreme Court heard its notice to the State Bank asking them why they had not disclosed the alpha-numeric details on each bond, alpha-numeric number on each bond of the purchaser as well as of the party which redeemed those bonds. But before the court could hear the State Bank, uh, there were three applications filed by the three industry organizations, FICCI, CII and ASSOCHAM, in which a prayer has been made that the bond number should not be disclosed so that the donor details don't come out. However, the Chief Justice told the lawyer for these organizations that their application was not on record, they would not be heard, and moreover, everybody was put on notice in the interim order of April 2019 that if the court finally allows these petitions about challenge to the electoral bond scheme, then all details may have to be disclosed. And therefore the court then heard the State Bank. State Bank said we had misunderstood. Mr. Salve appeared for the State Bank. He said we had misunderstood the purport of the order. We thought that the order was only to give those other details about the amount of the bond and the name of the party who encashed it, but not the alphanumeric details. Of course, we have all this data of the alphanumeric numbers of the bonds and we can disclose it. So the court said, all right, they passed an order saying that they must disclose it forthwith, and the chairman of the State Bank is to file an affidavit by Thursday 21st evening 5 p.m. Saying that he has disclosed all the details including the alphanumeric numbers, and that would have to be uploaded by the Election Commission forthwith, immediately.